everyone, let's begin our new video. Let's learn to spell caught. C U, good job. T, ho ho, C U T, caught. Let's learn to spell dawn. D O N E, hooray! D O N E, dawn. Learning is like magic. The more you do it, the stronger you become. Draw. D R A W, hooray! D R A W, draw, draw. Drink. D, good job. R I N K, hoo-hoo. D R I N K, drink, drink, drink. Good job. Eight. E, good job. I G H T, hoo-hoo. E I G H T, 8. Every day is a chance to learn something new. Fall. F A L L, hoo-hoo. F A L L, fall. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Far. F, good job. A R, hoo-hoo. F A R. Smart minds grow with curious questions. Fool. F U L L, hoo-hoo. F U L L, fool. Keep learning, keep shining. Got. G O, well done. T, hoo-hoo. G O T, got. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Grow. G R O W, hooray! G R O W, grow, grow. You are doing so perfect. Hold. H O L D, hoo-hoo. H O L D, hold. Keep it up. Hot. H O, outstanding. T, hoo-hoo. H O T, perfect. Hot. Thank you for watching this video and good job.